Want me to start it?
I did. Is there a little red?
Yep.
Take it,
We're
yeah,
going.
okay.
We're good.
All right, what is, oh, shucks. I'm sorry if you did that. Okay, what I wanted this to be was Lin-Lars. What does that do?
Completely different reaction. Reduction.
Does do a reduction. Well, okay, so if we hadn't had the Lin-Lars, if we had had palladium carbon H2, what does that do? What was your original answer?
Get rid of the double bond.
Yeah, it is syn addition with an alkene.
So
With an alkyne, it actually gets rid of both pi bonds and just totally saturates it with H's. Okay? So you would essentially get that, which you probably, it'd be nice to draw it that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
that's if we did
1, 2, 3,
PDC.
4, 5. What's that?
That's if we did PDC.
That's if we did just regular hydrogenation. Now, with alkynes, there was two special reactions. We could do Lin-Lars catalyst. Anybody remember anything particular about Lin-Lars catalyst? It turns an alkyne into an alkene. Exactly. Okay, any other details? There's two reagents we have that turn alkynes into alkenes. If you just use palladium, it doesn't even stop at the alkene, it just goes all the way on to an alkane, totally hydrogenates. There are two reagents we have that take an alkyne and stop at the alkene. Okay, one is Lin-Lars catalyst, and the other is either sodium metal or lithium metal in liquid ammonia. Okay, so they turn it into alkenes. Do we get the same product? No, we get different products. How do they differ? Cis and trans. Exactly. Okay. Do you remember which one which?
Trans.
Lin-Lars is cis. So this is one of those cases where, maybe learn it with R groups, Boom, 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 boom. And then add on the other junk. Lin-Lars, you're going to have that. So to add on the other junk. Sodium and lithium is trans. Boom. Write that on the paper and then add in the other junk. Which is just that. Okay. Shoot. Let me change this problem. I have good reason for changing that. Now we're not talking about an alkyne starting material, we're talking about an alkene starting material. What does an alkene with palladium and carbon and H2 do? Same?
Turn, just get rid of the pi bond.
Exactly. Any other details? You just got, 9 out of 12. Somebody here said it earlier. Yeah, syn addition, exactly. Now sometimes that won't matter. Depends if you create a chiral center. Am I creating a chiral center? Yep, I am. That's going to become a chiral center. We'll have 4 different things on it. Have an H, and then that, and that. So the H's, and here's a good, with hydrogenation of alkenes, get rid of the double bond, and draw both H's from the same orientation. They come in from the same direction. Okay? Well, on this one, if I drew the H's coming out at me, then this methyl group had to be back. Okay? What else? The other one. Okay, the palladium could have landed on the alkene from here, or the palladium could have landed from the other loop. Okay? Again, if you got that far, you get most of the points. they just came from the same side.
What kind of reaction is that?
It's called a hydrogenation.
Is that an S?
Nope, it's not SN2, it's not E2, it's a hydrogenation. Which is a type of reduction. Reduction is a very general class.
And the London
That's also a reduction. Okay, Pockle. What does Pockle do? Yeah, I don't, I'm not sure. Maybe one person got this right on the exam. No, you're mistaking that, and they're so close. That would replace that with chloride.
Okay.
This does an elimination. Okay. So we, just like all of the eliminations, we create a double bond between the carbon with the OH and an adjacent carbon. Okay. And this again is one of these ones where we could get either orientation. Because this could spin around, you could have this starting material. And then lock it in that. And this would be the preferred. Make sense? Okay. There's a lot of chemistry here. You know, I did encourage the first exam. That's very rare. The final one, you'll have a curve too. So hang in there and don't, do the best you can. You're probably not going to absorb every little nuance I told you. Okay? Sometimes I forget the little nuances I told you. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For the rest of your night.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You guys too.
Thank
Thank you.
Is anyone else going to Canoe side? No.
Oh, I am.
Does anyone want to ride?
Oh, I am.
Where's the red button? Because I can't see.
Long time ago, son.
Red button.
Well, thank you. I'm like,
There's a red button.
Yeah, on this.